Me better when I'm with you.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to a brand new Makeup Monday with your girl TracyLifeStyle, and that's hey you guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys this makeup look. And welcome back all my ladies and gents that are all into makeup. I know it's been a long time. For the rest of y'all that aren't into makeup, you don't have to watch this whole video, but don't unsubscribe either, because we still got Talk Shit Tuesday, Wine With Me Wednesdays, TracyLifeStyle Thursdays, and occasional fun Fridays. Don't miss out. It's just fun. It's fun. And plus, we're back to purple. Back to Makeup Monday though. Okay, but excuse my hair. It's still a little damp, so it's not done. Happy New Year's, you guys. Happy New Year's. Happy first Makeup Monday of the year. It's my dance for the new year. Okay, enough talking, right? Let's just jump right into this video. You guys ready? Here we go. All right, you guys ready? So here we go. Let's get started. First, you're gonna get your hair out your face. Excuse my jelly venture. With anything that you would prefer to use, you know, you can use a crown like me, or you can use any type of headband that you like. You know, it's personal preference, really. After you have your crown nice and adjusted like that, right, then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first off, we have Carmex on our lips because we gotta get this shit nice and moisturized. Why? Because later we're going to put on lipstick. Even though if this was real life, like going outside, you can't wear lipstick because it's gonna get stained. Unless you have like a nice mask that covers it like this, where it won't be that. But majority of the time, it's probably gonna hit the mask. But just for tutorial purposes, we're gonna do it. First off's first, right? We wanna start with the face. And what I'm gonna start with, Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. You know, open that up, take a little bit, put it on your finger, like so. Dab it in your T-zone, okay? A little bit goes a long way. This is a sample size, by the way. I got it in my Ipsy bag. So you're gonna go ahead, swirl that in. Swirl that in your face, into your T-zones, because that's where I personally get most oily. Otherwise, I kind of have dry skin. Like right here, my cheeks really, and my chin. But right here, it gets kind of oily. And right here, like just right here. I don't know why. Now, what we're gonna do is readjust our crown because it's on our huge forehead. And if we can't see our foreheads, we can't get all the makeup up there. It's okay if your crown's a little crooked. We'll fix it later. Okay, so after you let that sit in just a little bit, let it dry, go want it to do its magic, because otherwise it's a waste of makeup. Okay, so next what we do is we go ahead and grab our foundation. Okay, it's almost out. This is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Okay, it's a 2-in-1, affordable for high end. You know what I mean? I love it. They've increased the prices, and they've changed the formula too. But I mean, still fuck with it. Okay, so since I'm the only one using this foundation, I'm gonna use it directly from the tube. Some of you freaks still might be like, oh, that's unsanitary, which I understand. But that's what I do. Grab your blending brush, right? Foundation brush, whatever you wanna use. I change mine up every few days, you know? Okay, so this is what I've discovered so far. I kinda actually thought about it a long time ago, but I was just like, that's wasteful. But since I got a new one for my birthday, might as well, right? So we're gonna use the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay, my favorite. With the foundation still like this. If you wanna blend it, pre-blend it just a little bit, you can. You know, because sometimes I notice that makes a little bit of a difference. But either way, spray. Ready? And not a lot either. That was like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 spritz evenly. Sometimes I just do the cheeks, because I notice sometimes when I put it here, it's like, meh. But anyways, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and dab into our skin, right? Kind of just pressing it on there, but like lightly, but not too light where it's like barely like doing anything yet, but just enough so it presses it into the skin, okay? We're gonna be doing this for a while. Okay, so now that our face is nice and beautifully flawless, right? Foundation looking on point, we don't even need to use the concealer. You know your girl has naturally dark circles. It has nothing to do with sleep, it's just hereditary. Okay, so now that we have all that nicely done, we're gonna go on and move on to the eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia in the color Chocolate, my favorite. Actually, I'm probably gonna do one eyebrow, sped up, and I'm gonna be like, poof, here comes the other eyebrow. You know, because like people are always like, why take the time to do makeup? Why take the time to get ready? And blah, 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 right? And there's people that ask that know how to do makeup, and it's like, I get it. It's those days where you just feel like, oh my God, I don't feel like doing my freaking makeup. Like, why? And then it's asked by people that don't know how to do makeup. It makes sense because you want an excuse so you don't feel as bad about not getting ready. But you know what? Take the time, you know, because makeup is an art, honestly, for one. And your face is a canvas, for two. But most importantly, it makes you feel good, you know? You feel good when you look good. You could be sick, but if you look good, you feel better. And so why not always feel good? You know, even if it's just a little bit of something. I know I look crazy right now, but it's okay. Because in 3, 2, and voila. Now that we got our brows on, and they're a little bit close together, I know, I like to do it like that. You know, because then with the lashes on, it just looks right. Up next, after we got the cute brows on or whatever, highlight the brow bone because it just makes it look cleaner. Especially if you're not A1 on your brows yet, you know, you go ahead and do your eyebrows. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte palette, and excuse it, but it's a little bit dirty. But we're gonna go in Solstice and Sand. Flat brush like so, and then we're gonna go put that right under your brows for that nice crisp line, huh? Make them look like you just got your eyebrows done. Plus, after you do this, you go back over with your brow brush just to darken and crisp up that line. Don't be afraid to press this in. Your choice, you can definitely use your concealer or whatever, but it also serves as a guide for how far you should go up with your eyeshadow. See, some people like get a little happy and they go all the way up there, and it's not it. But again, personal preference. You can do it if you like. Like I said, backing it with your eyebrow brush. This is also by Anastasia in the number, I believe 7. It rubbed off. So you go back over. Okay, other side. What we're gonna go in with is the Urban Decay Bougie palette, right? So super cute. Since I got it on my birthday, I've just only been using this, and that's what I like to do. I like to use things for a while and until I get tired of them, and I move on. So it looks like this. It's so cute. Let me open it. It's like a little booklet. How cute, isn't it? Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Do you see the glitter? Why I chose it in the first place? Do you guys want to see our New Year's nails, by the way? So cute. It's matte, yes, matte. So, with the Bougie palette, we're gonna go in first with a fluffy brush like this, okay? And then you're gonna grab I Like It. That's what it's called. We're gonna grab I Like It. Right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put that all over your eyelid, like this, okay? Remember how we said we're not gonna go all the way up to the brow bone? Don't go up all the way to the brow bone. But you can, you know, blend it up there. Just stay right there in between the lines, you know? If you need to go back over with your brow color, you can. And then we're gonna do the other eye. You can wear this color with anything. You can blend out anything, like anything. If you hear your eyelids flapping back and forth, you're probably doing a great job of blending. Okay, so one eye always looks more blended than the other, but it's okay. It's probably about how much product you're putting in the beginning. We're gonna go in with Club Hop. That one right there, yep. The brush like this, you're gonna go ahead and grab Club Hop. As you can tell, this is what we use to use it, right? Here we go. We're gonna put that just on the lid though. Not nowhere crazy, just the lid, okay? Painting your eyelids. Not for Derek and Harold, but for you. For you, boo-boo. Not as pretty as the glitter scene though. Like that is my favorite. Oh. So we're gonna glitterify our eyelids. It works better so you have less fallout if you just pat on it. I mean, it takes a little longer rather than dragging it because, you know, dragging it just makes a mess. If you just pat it on there, it goes on very nicely. But with the same color basically, right, Club Hop, we're gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom. Okay, like this. Oh, see that nice, just brightens everything, I feel. Yeah? Yeah. It's probably because I have dark circles. So right here is like already kind of dark. So I feel like when I make it dark, it just looks too dark. You know, so pretty. Put a little bit on my nose because you guys see how I have a little scar thing, right? And that's not cute. So we're gonna put glitter there too. So now that you have glitter on that part and that part, we're gonna use one more glitter. The champagne looking one, Disco Diva. You could use the same brush, or if you're a freak and you wanna use a different brush, you can. I'll use a different one in a second for my nose bridge, but for right now, I'm gonna use the same one, right? So, because I kind of like how it looks like combined. I don't know, but if you want to do it separate, it looks good like that too. So, with this one, we're gonna put this right in the tear duct, like a little line. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other side. So like that looks good, that looks great. Just doing a little bit extra touches, making sure that I like it, and that I like it a lot. Now that we've got that done, you know what comes next, the lashes. So I'm not gonna show you guys this part because I have an eyelash tutorial, and I'll probably do another one, updated 2021. So I'll be right back with the lashes. Ready? Ta-da! And we're back with the lashes, you guys. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. And with the same palette, the dark palette, since it has all those pretty colors at the bottom for contouring, we're gonna go ahead and use that. So we're gonna go in with terracotta, okay? And what we're gonna do is smile. See how our big cheeks are and our little bones and stuff? We're gonna outline that. So cheese, cheese. Gotta blend it, gotta blend it, gotta blend it. Yeah. This is for definition to the face. You don't have to put too much fucking blush. You still put a little bit in the center of the balls of the cheek, but at least you won't have two red balls on your face. So for bronzing, I don't really do bronzing, you know, and or the rest of my face. I just like to do my cheeks because I feel like that's what sticks out. So you really, for makeup, you want to not only, you know, paint your beautiful canvas to your liking, but what you want to do is you're trying to enhance your features that are already there. A big fluffy brush like this, I'm gonna go in with Pacifica. It's a little dirty. And we're gonna put in the blush color. Cute little flower, huh? So we're gonna go like this and just tap it on the cheeks while we're smiling because we're just blushing, happy to be here, and just rainbows and unicorns and butterflies, you know? Life is not all about just work and money. It's about making you feel good so you can make the rest of the world feel good too, right? Right. So now that it's nice and pink and it makes you feel bubbly, it makes you feel like you got color to your skin again, you look alive, okay? So now we're gonna go and do highlights. With the highlights, right? Also got this for my birthday. If you guys go watch it under Tracy Lifestyle Thursdays, and it's gonna be my 25th birthday vlog. So it looks like this, right? The highlight, cute. And the inside looks like an ice cream. Super cute. And then we're gonna go ahead and go with the fan brush like this. This is by Moda Pro. That you're gonna go ahead and go like this on there, and then you're gonna just put that on the tops of the cheeks like that. Put a little bit on your chin, you know, just so it reflects, and I just think that looks so cute. A little bit on our Cupid's bow, even though we're gonna put lipstick on. Cute. Okay, so now that we've got all that jazz on, get your foundation brush, your original foundation brush, right? And then if you put a little bit too much right here, because I hate when it just looks like a blob of like loose glitter on tops of people's cheeks. It just doesn't look good. It makes your face look wrinkly. So make sure it doesn't look like that and kind of brush it out, or, you know, do that little dab thing again, especially right here, because you don't want it shiny right there, you know? And then the rest just kind of brush it out, you know, just a little bit so it doesn't look all crazy. Back to the nose, right? Because you're like, you're just gonna leave a little ball of glitter there. Well, before we used to, but now, in with your fluffy brush, right? Because we're trying to save time, we're trying to save products and brush cleaning. With whatever you have left with your brown color, right? You see how I'm already starting to make it look, yeah, that's exactly what you're gonna be doing. Contour the nose. So that way when you take your selfies, your nose doesn't disappear. And then if you have big noses, then it just defines it so it doesn't look all huge and disappear. Okay, either or, whatever your issue is, this is gonna help you. And you want a fluffy brush because you don't want the lines to be all harsh, okay? And again, it is foundation brush. Dab it. Totally didn't used to be a part of my routine, but it does look really cute in pictures because my nose tends to disappear in pictures because it's so cute. And we're gonna go on top of the nose, ball like that to create like a little tinier ball. You wanna go in with any little brush like this, okay? Let's show our cute nails in there. It's a little pencil brush, right? So with the pencil brush, we're gonna go back in with Bougie, get Bougie, Disco Diva, again, right? That light champagne color. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and line the nose bridge, okay? So you're gonna go like this. You're gonna put a little dot in the middle of your eyes, like you twinkle. And then you put one right here, and then one on where that nose dot is, right? If you don't have one like me, thank God. But if you do, then after that, you're gonna use your finger, because that's usually a lot of glitter, even though it looks like a little bit, you know? You're gonna use your finger, and then you're gonna just lightly, very lightly, I'm just barely like, a nice slimmer nose. It looks nice and cute. So after all that is finished, you looked pretty presentable, right? You do. But that is not all, ladies and gents. Just because we have crown on doesn't mean that we're fully done, okay? So what you want to go ahead and do is the lips next. Okay, well, so the camera cut out when I was trying to show you guys this, but okay, so basically, if you can see on my lips, I got Boil Bronze on by Bodyography, right? This is actually a lip pencil, but we're gonna go ahead and use this as a lip liner. I don't use it as an eyeliner, because it just doesn't show on my eyes as much, I feel. So it shows great on the lips though. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and, you know, outline mainly and fill it in a little bit. And notice how as I draw it, I'm doing it with my teeth, like my lips against my teeth, because it just makes it a lot easier. Because when you have like this or like this, it just, you wrinkle your lips and it's just not how it's supposed to be, so that's why your lines are crooked. So next time that you do your lips, or if you're doing it with me right now, make sure it's against your teeth like that. Yeah. Now that we got that on, we're gonna go ahead and move on to an actual lip product. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love her products. Excuse the red on there. And this is in the color. So we're gonna put this just in the center of our lips pretty much. All right, just use a little bit because it's very pale and we don't want to make our lips look like it is a heart of our face, okay? Go back in it over with your lip liner. Lip liner. And now you go in with your favorite lip gloss, right? This is also by Tarte's Lip Paint. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the center of our lips. We're being real makeup gurus today. You know what I'm saying? Make sure to put it on the high point, you know, where your cupid's over it. Because that's where the light reflects most, you know? So if you want fuller looking lips, that's what you do. That, y'all, is the final product. Do you guys like it? Love it? Are you inspired? I hope you're inspired. Okay, we got it back on. That pretty much sums it up for my everyday, well, current everyday makeup routine. Yeah? Because it takes me like 15 minutes, 20 max if I'm doing the lips too, you know, but you know, COVID's. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, especially if you want to see a eyelash tutorial updated or a brow tutorial updated. I will dedicate a video for that next Makeup Monday, okay? And if you don't, well then it might be delayed. So you guys gotta work with me. And don't forget to subscribe. Somebody is gonna get a free pair of iPods. If you guys think I'm lying, hold on. Voila! See, I told you I wasn't lying. In the package still, okay? Customized Tracy Lifestyle AirPods. If you guys want these, have a chance to win, then go ahead and subscribe, share this video, tag 3 friends, tag me so I see, okay? And then comment down below and we'll see who the winner is, okay? We're gonna extend it now until Valentine's Day, because isn't that gonna be a cute little gift for somebody on Valentine's Day? Will you be my Valentine? Okay, well, until next time, you guys, see you guys later, and Happy New Year's! Bye!